Have you ever wondered how Google is actually working on, or how Google is actually ranking the web pages or the content which has been posted regularly on the weekly or daily basis? I know whatever your niche is, whatever you are in, whether it's cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, blockchain, digital marketing, cooking, hacking, anything or any stuff which actually excites you up, you must have definitely searched about it over Google and have got most of the useless results too. In this particular video, I will be explaining one of the best topic of ethical hacking, or which can be even used in any kind of respective field you are in, that is known as Google hacking. Irrespective of this term, what like it actually sounds, how to hack Google, or that is actually leading to this term Google hacking. But irrespective of hacking out Google, we will be using Google for hacking or to doing out few of the research work much effectively and productively. So this video is actually explaining you about few of the Google ranking terms, and as well as we will be learning more about the exploit tutorials which has been published over Google hacking database, and will be actually doing out the practical over my computer screen so that we can get up an practical overview how to use Google for your better search results. Okay, so let's jump into my computer screen. So if you are new in this channel and you are viewing me first time, then you just need to press out the bell notification so that you can never miss out any cool information about information security, IT, or any kind of respective field you are in. And just subscribe out and turn that red button into green. Hey guys, so here we are. So what I'm just doing is, let's start with the main part. So the point is, before starting out any kind of a practical, and let me show you the practical completely about what Google Docs are and how they're actually working. Let me explain you how actually Google is ranking up the web pages. So I just went into google.com and I just tried writing how are you, right? And I just entered this. So the best part is, guys, to make you just aware is, this is known as URL. I just need to make you aware is this part, not this highlighted one, this highlighted one, www.gonatrueenglish.com, English speaking. This is known as a URL. Okay, now this is known as title. Okay, and this is known as description. So while studying about the Google Docs, these three plays a one of the most major role when it comes to identifying the vulnerable websites, vulnerable Android applications, and a lot more things, right? So now let me. So the point is, guys, try to understand this completely. Okay, now see this. Google Google search. This is known as title, this is your URL, and this is description. When searching Google for anything, Google views 10 results in every page, and in every 10 results there is three information. The thing which is written in blue with title, green with URL, and black with description. Okay, now how Google search is used for hacking, that's what you guys were actually waiting for. Google allows the use of certain operators to help refine searches. The use of advanced operators is very simple as long as attention is given to the syntax. The basic format is operator search term. Okay guys, I'm just leaving that because that's what we actually needed till now. Now, what the point is, let me show you something which I have already prepared for you. Guys, Google is actually, when it comes to Google hacking, that's what we all were shifting here. The point is that Google hacking doesn't mean that we are hacking Google. That is using Google just to hack into few of the servers, few of the websites. As you can just see over there, our screenshot shows different categories containing different Google Docs, right? So one of the best website where you can just understand a lot of concepts is Exploit Database. Okay, you just need to click on that, and the first thing, exploit database, just go to this particular website, and here you can even find out Google hacking database. So what we can just do is, okay, so GHDB, this is known as Google hacking database. Once you will be going in Google hacking database, you can find out a lot of material to read upon, like index of. So let me explain you what are these terms. Okay, so as we just notice about here, Google, the docs which we usually say, so these docs are known as operator. Operator means that now whatever we will be typing out, this operator will be helping out to refine our search. So guys, take it as an example, just as I showed you. The point is, uh, just move to another another picture. So here, as you can just see over there, yeah, so I just definitely showed you up. Now let's try with this particular stuff. The point is, like, see, in URL, okay, and I just entered kind of Dipanshu Parashar. Yeah, Dipanshu. Okay, so in URL Dipanshu. So now what will be just showing it to me is either, let me just do one thing. Allow. I just need to press a space bar here. Dipanshu, let it be Parashar too. So that will be when be helpful for you. So guys, as you can just see over there in URL Dipanshu Parashar, what I can just do is, now as you can see, just see this. I typed Dipanshu Parashar in URL. Now you are aware what URL is. See this. Here it is Dipanshu Parashar. Okay. When I will be just opening this particular website, there will be two Dipanshu Parashar. You can just see over there. I have been on HackerOne and I have been on 17 Hindi. So there are a lot of things which you can just go through these Google Docs. Take it as an example. Now what I can just do over there is, I am just changing it to in title. Okay, and I just paste Dipanshu Parashar. Okay, now see, in title Dipanshu Parashar, now you are aware that this is known as title, right? As you can just see over there, Dipanshu Parashar. As you can just see over there, Dipanshu Parashar, Dipanshu Parashar, Dipanshu Parashar. So here, each and every result will be coming out in which the title is containing Dipanshu Parashar. Okay, this how I can even, so this is a Google Knowledge Panel. So since this is also a database, Dipanshu Parashar, here it is. So this how you can actually search on. So what we can just do it in text now. In text is used for the description, guys. So see, now we have referred to Dipanshu Parashar here, Dipanshu Parashar in this description, the same word in this description, then in this description. So this will be showing you all these websites in which the description will be containing this particular stuff. Okay, now let me explain you. Let me just like site and .pk. Okay, now see, what this site feature is actually utilizing for, just to refine out the search on the basis of extension. So what I just do is .pk, so that refers to Pakistan. Now .pk here. Okay, in all these URLs are referring to the Pakistan website. So now I am aware, like I just need to search out all these Pakistani websites. Okay, now you can even use a lot of operators with kind of together simultaneously. So what I just need to refer is, just a second. So okay, so let's see. In URL college, this is a kind of a college website which is actually ending with .pk extension. Students login, as you can just see over there, right? Then Grafton College Islamabad, University College Lahore. So now how these all things will be working fine. Now I guess that you guys are actually getting up an example how this Google hacking database can be used in actual hacking or cyber security. I will be showing you now the most awaited practical. Now let's suppose we all are aware that websites are working on login.php. Okay, so before that, what we can just try is, this will be it for another thing that they have disabled out the numerical keys, but no worries. So what I just entered is in URL spacebar. Let me add admin slash login.php. Okay, and since we actually don't want to waste up the time on, let's see this. Now see, what we just gone through is, we require in URL, like we are searching or we are asking Google to show us the search results which are actually containing, first thing, they are ending with .pk as the site operator is actually pointing towards, and then it comes to in URL admin slash login.php. Now just see this, what this particular Google, what we say that this is a Google exploit or Google Doc. What this Google Doc will be showing us as, all Pakistan websites having admin slash login.php in their URL. And now we all are aware what we need to do next. We just need to use the SQL interface. I think that we can't use it up here. But yeah, if we actually got in, we can definitely hack into most of the Pakistan websites or any kind of Indian website too. So this depends like how these Google Docs are actually working. Okay, so my main purpose was this only, that I just need to make you aware with admin.login.php and .pk. So this how you can refine up your search results. Now let's suppose admin.in title. Let's see this. I'm not aware whether it will be working fine or not, but I just put it college. Now just see this. In URL admin log PHP site UK, I don't think so. It's working fine. But yeah, we can just search over there. So this is more like, guys, ki you need to find out with a lot of stuff. Admin.php, we can actually change it with admin.aspx, a lot of more things. Okay, so now I guess you are actually aware how Google Docs are working. What guys I can just show you is, like, see, site alibaba.com. I have already make it done. So you can just see over there all the websites which is actually containing or are the subsidiaries of Alibaba. You can see this completely, right? So this how it actually works. And some doc queries from Google hacking database. So guys, there is also one most important feature which I just remember. There is a Google Doc which is known as file type. Okay, so what you just need to do is file type semicolon, and you just put it hacking.pdf. Okay, or you can even do something like call as, where you can just Google, or using the Google Docs you can actually make free use of Google Books. Once you are actually done with file type, how this particular doc will be refining your search results is, you can see all these links are PDF links. So you actually not need to, you are actually not need to search over the fake websites which are claiming that we are providing this fake hacking book or fake this kind of book. You can also include that instead of hacking you can just enter cooking. So this is more like refining out your Google search results. You need to get verified. Yeah. Now as you can just see over there, now we will be getting all the kind of this cooking PDFs, right? So you can just change up here and can get a lot of files. Similar to this, as shown in this particular sheet, file type XLS. What XLS is? That is Google Excel. Like Google Excel files will be now showing you up. In title index of site key password, I will be explaining this in the other video of Google Docs. That will be version 2 of Google Docs on the Cyber Events YouTube channel. So for that, since we just entered with hacking.pdf, you can just see over there we got a lot of valuable hacking books, so they are loading. Yeah, but yeah, you can just see over there that we got a lot of hacking books to read about, and everything is all about PDFs, right? So you can just enter into a lot of stuff and can actually learn about a lot of things. Here there is a PDF about 255 pages, right? So I'm not aware who is actually the hacker or who is actually the uh, writer of this particular book, but yeah, this can actually help you a lot when it comes to refine up your search results. And I have already explained you a lot of more stuff, like how to deal with the website hacking database using Google Docs. So yep, guys, today for today's session or the version 1 of the Google Docs, this was more than enough, I guess. Now the thing which I need to make you aware is that I will be providing you out every single productive kind of a in a kind of a video form, and will be posting up on the Cyber Agents YouTube channel. You just need to search the Cyber Agents. The first link will be us. Just need to go there and press the subscribe button to know more about the Cyber Agents and all these kind of stuff which we are actually dealing with.